What's up, beautiful people? Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. You know I do. Welcome back for another video. My girl. In this video, I will be doing a braid and twist at the end. My girl, Curliecrys, Crystal, she did a video that was basically like a braid at the root, like halfway down, and the rest of it was a 2-strand twist. But I'm gonna remix it because I like my hair when it's 3-strand twisted. So we're gonna do a braid and 3-strand twisted at the end, okay? So I got that from her. Shout out to her. I never looked it up to see if anybody else did it, but I got it from her. That's where I found it from. You follow her for one. Follow her. She don't even know I'm doing this video, but I was like, you know what? Let me try something else. Let me try something different. And look, give credit where credit is due. Okay, so I am gonna be using my favorite product for my twist outs. Typically, you know, I've been trying new products nowadays because, you know, if it was me, I would repeat the same stuff. But it's good to discover new products that actually work, right? But today, we're gonna try what I normally would do for a twist out, okay? So this is Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle. Okay, should I come closer? What I like about this product, it just feels homemade, like, you know, so that's why I like using this product, and that's why I actually like the whole collection. I do consider it like one of my favorite collections, especially for Mielle. They did it right with this one. I also like using this product during the winter time because my hair gets just dry, okay? And like I told y'all, I try to stretch a style as long as I can as well. So after a while, with me pulling on it because I'm overthinking or just, yeah, doing the most, I'll pull on my hair. So then that causes dryness as well and just frizziness, split ends, help us all. But yeah, so let's get this video started. Oh, girl, let's get it. Move it out the way. I'm probably gonna put 4 in the back. Finger detangle. Yeah. My styles could last so much longer if I did not pull on my hair. Put that in. I'm gonna actually need some more. Actually, that wasn't correct. I was just making that up. This is me filling out the whole section. Got some love. We're going to braid first. I have to talk to myself. Braid first, then 3-strand twist. And I also feel like the 3-strand twist works out because, you know, it's already in 3 sections, so I might as well keep going, you know. If you don't know how 3-strand twist, do Curliecrys, okay? Do the twist, 2-strand twist right afterwards, okay? This section was not even, but I'm not gonna stop. Not starting over. I'm just not. I'm not gonna do it.
Perfect.
or something, mix it up for y'all. I'm pleased. Your girl is pleased on today. I'm pleased. At first I was like, I wish it was more stretched, but actually I'm okay. I like the length. I like where it's hitting. I mean, this is, you know, with my hair. So much in me, like I said, wants to stretch it with a blow dryer, but I'm not gonna do that. The only thing I do feel like, that's why I didn't like, the braid out was cute that I did the other day, but I just didn't like how flat my roots were. So when you're fluffing it, it's still like, nope. It's still like, no. So I will say that this is like a happy medium where my roots are still flat, but then at least the rest of my hair is nice and full because of the 3-strand twist. Wait a minute, Crystal! Curliecrys, you done did something. You done did something, sis. So this may have to be a new thing for me. I still don't like taking down braids though, so that still wasn't fun for me, but at least it was like less work, you know? But yeah, so let me know what you think about my results. Of course the product is fire. Y'all already know that. That's why I recommend it. But that did its thing too. My hair looks nice, juicy, bouncy, got the shine to it. Yes, and I sat under the dryer last night for an hour and then this morning for an hour just in case, you know. But yeah, that's what I ended up doing with that, and my hands are ashy, so I'm not trying to show it too much. But this is cute. I may say it, one of my best twist out situations. If you do want to add a little more stretch to your hair, sometimes I like to like pull this side over to wake it up and then let it go back over. Okay. Just to help it wake up just a little bit. Okay. Do it again. Bring it over. I don't know if this part really does something, but I'm doing it. Okay. Adds a little bit of stretch, you know. Yeah, this is cute. I give y'all a middle part today too. Look. Yeah, girl, so if you found this video educating, a little entertaining, let your girl know by giving it a thumbs up. And girl, subscribe to the channel. Join my beautiful people crew. Woody woo. And girl, as always, my girl, thank you for watching. And I'll talk to you later, okay? Peace. 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 Peace.